Marie Curie, born on November 7, 1867 in Warsaw, and died on July 4, 1934 in Passy, in the sanatorium of Sancellemoz, is a Polish physicist and chemist naturalized French by her marriage with the physician Pierre Curie in 1895. Exceptional scientist, she is the first woman to have received the Nobel Prize and the only woman to have received two. In France, Marie Curie is the first woman to teaching at the Sorbonne and the first woman honored for her own merits to rest at the Pantheon. Her remains were transferred with those of her husband Pierre Curie to the Pantheon in Paris on the 20th of April 1995. This coin is in Nordic gold, copper, aluminium, zinc and tin for a weight of 7.8 grams and a diameter of 24.25 millimeters. It is a common coin struck in 2024 and is part of a new series of coins that represent exceptional women. The two other coins in the series are the 10-cent Simone Weil coin and the 20-cent Josephine Baker coin. There is no information about the current print run number of this coin for 2024. The BU and BE copies are added for 27,000 and 5,000. The value of the current coin ranges between 50 cents and €1.50 in coin flour quality. The copies in BU are worth €6 and in BE €18. The cleaner and shiny the original currency, the more value it will have.